A lots of people are rearing dove as a hobby, but in the beginning time they have no idea about dove care. Because of lack of knowledge, the bird are get affected by different kinds of disease. As a result, birds get died quickly. In this video, I am going to show you some proper tips which can protect your bird from unwanted disease and death. So let's begin. Tips number 1 is how to protect bird from virus attack. To prevent disease like virus, you can use lemon or vinegar. Mix 1 gram of lemon gel or vinegar with 100 milliliter of water, then give it to your bird for drink. Those two items will improve bird body protection system to prevent virus. The tips number 2 is how to save bird from catch cold or how to care the bird from winter. To save bird from cold, use oil seed like mustard oil seed on their feed mixture. It will support them to warm up their body from cold weather. Basil leaves and cinnamon are two natural medicine on catch cold. If your bird are already affected by catch cold, then take 1 liter of water, 5 leaves of basil plant and take a small amount of cinnamon and boil all the item for 10 minutes. After getting the water is too cold, give this as drinking water for dove bird. In most of the case, this solution is worked. Third tips is about diarrhea or loose motion. If bird are get ill by diarrhea, it's very harmful for their body. Salt water is very good treatment for bird on the case of loose motion or diarrhea. To prepare salt water for dove bird, take 100 grams of water and 3 grams of salt and mix it. Give this water to drink your bird in the morning time, but to using it, you have to conscious about its use. After 6 hours from giving salt mix water, change it and give fresh water for next 18 hours and repeat the same process for 2 or 3 days. In most of the time, this treatment give good result on diarrhea and loose motion. Thanks for watching the full video. If you want to get more video on dove bird care, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get new video notification quickly.